So hi everyone. Okay, if you've not yet subscribed, I'm just gonna say right now before you forget, you will not want to not subscribe. So click the subscribe button and feel free to share this video with anyone that you see. We do videos every Mondays and Fridays, and we also do daily vlogs, that's family videos, on DN Vlogs Live every single day. So check out our family channel by clicking that button right over there. Okay, so as I mentioned in the DIY, I'm gonna do in the title, I'm gonna do a DIY that my subscriber, one of my subscriber, all she uses is DIYs, and she's amazing. She's also on our Facebook group, Discover Natural group. So if you've not yet joined that Facebook group, go join it. Before I start rambling around, I want you to watch the preparation of this DIY mixture, and then I will apply it to my hair and we'll see what happens. We'll see what. So this calls for fenugreek powder, a very ripe avocado, a ripe banana, and also aloe vera juice. All the details will be in the description box area. Now, if you don't want, I don't normally put banana in my hair because it's really hard to get out if this gets into your hair so much. So I like using baby food. I'm going to substitute baby food. This is banana, organic banana baby food, and this only contains baby food, bananas, and it contains also lemon, as you can see in the ingredients over here. So it only contains banana lemon juice. So that's what I'm going to use instead of using a banana. Fenugreek has a smell, and it smells like syrup, like maple syrup. So according to this person, you have to be very careful in how many how much of it you use. It calls for, a recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of fenugreek. So I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of fenugreek. And she said it is best to soak it overnight to make it smooth. So I'm going to put she calls for 2 cups of aloe vera juice. I'm going to start off with 1 cup of aloe vera juice. So since this is a 1/4 cup, I'm going to do 4 of this, making it a cup of aloe vera juice. So I'm just going to put a cup of aloe vera juice. So that's 1/2 cup, and this is 1 cup. I can put her information up above. She is really good. She only uses DIY products. She doesn't use any store-bought product, and she's such an inspiration. Her name is Deborah, and she's such an inspiration to our group, and she shares a lot of DIY. So if you're going DIY way, join our Facebook group. It's going to be in the pinned comment, in the comment area, and also in the description area. So this is the fenugreek. So what she said was that to keep it smooth, or to make it smooth, that you should mix it and overnight. You should keep it overnight, and then you can use it in the morning. So this has been soaking overnight, and what we're going to do now is I'm going to transfer this mixture into my blender. Okay, so now we have the blender, and I need to put 1 cup of aloe vera juice. So we have my aloe vera juice right over here, and I'm going to put 1 cup of aloe vera juice in the blender, and my banana. So you can use raw banana, but I choose to use this banana. I'm going to use banana in there. So this equates to 1 banana. The fenugreek is quite thick. It has really thickened up. So I'm just going to take the fenugreek like this and just add it into the mix, quite watery in my opinion. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to blend it. So once we've done it, this is what the mix looks like. It's a little bit thick. And I'm just going to take the avocado. It's a very ripe avocado. Because I made a lot of it, I'm going to save this for later. So I'm just going to mix just about half of that. Okay, so next time I would not add so much aloe vera juice, because for me that is too much. So I'm going to save this for next time when I use it. I believe I'm just gonna keep this and use it within a couple of days, just because I don't have a preservative that comes with it. Just blend it really, really well. Okay, if you want to see what it looks like right now, this is what it looks like right now. It's much thicker, as you see, much thicker. Yeah, I like this. So according to my subscribers, DIY, you're supposed to strain it. I think because of the avocado and if you used raw banana. So I'm going to strain this. Hopefully it's not too thick, but I like the thickness just because it's more like a mask, and that's what I was looking forward to. So I'm straining it, trying to strain it. Okay, so you can see, so just do it like this and that will strain it out. So, and that's if you use real banana. If you use baby food, I don't think you need this step. So this is my hair, freshly washed, and according to the lady, Deborah, what she said was that this mixture, you can actually add your Ayurvedic powders to it. It's like a base for a lot of things. So you can, if you want to make it more strengthening, you can add your Ayurvedic powder. You can add oils like neem oil, hemp oil, all these different oils to it. But this is just the base. This is the one you can eat. I would not eat the ones that I've already added oils in. This is my first time. So keep your fingers crossed and pray for me. Okay, so it's not gonna be that bad. So this is my hair. It's freshly washed, and I'm just going to start now by applying it. And while I'm applying it, I'll be telling you the benefits of using all this stuff. Whenever you're using oils and using DIYs, always make sure you know the benefits. Don't just slap it into your hair. This is so creamy. This is really creamy. Okay, yeah, this is very creamy. Let's zoom it in. So now, see, then fenugreek oil or fenugreek seed is good for hair loss, and is also good for dandruff. It's good for also promoting shine, for healthy scalp, and also to strengthen the hair. Avocado helps to soften the hair. It helps to add moisture, you know, kind of keep the hair soft. And also, it's also good for enriching the hair from the inside cuticles out. Banana is great for shine. Banana contains potassium, which is good for also strengthening the hair, also helps with hair. So what do I think about this mask? Just applying to my hair. Oh, it feels so luxurious. It feels as if I'm using one of those rich bougie kind of deep conditioners. You know, those deep conditioners that you only get in salon. It doesn't smell bad. It really doesn't. I thought it would be like an awful smell. And see, I didn't even use up to half of what I have. Maybe Eniola will allow me to use some in her hair. So are my curls. Did you guys see that? My hair, my curls are popping. My hair feels soft. It has kind of like a soft feeling, but it has kind of as if it's thickening, like a thickening feeling. My hair feels really nice. It's not stiff. So I'm going to put my hair into chunky twist right now, and then I'm going to cover it with a plastic bag. And after covering it with a plastic bag, I will then keep it in my hair for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to show you what my hair looks like. Do you guys see what I see? Look at it. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so soft. Look how juicy that is. Oh, my hair feels so soft. And my real hair curl definition is like popping. It's like, and one thing I read about avocado is that avocado, was it avocado that reduces frizz? Helps with frizz. I do have frizz, but you know, you can see frizz, but this is my true hair texture. You guys can see, but there's so much moisture in it, so it's kind of pronounced. It's like much more then it shows much more. When my hair is loving this mask, you guys have to check out this mask. Oh, this total hair hair. Oh my gosh, I'm like so in love. Oh, I'm so in love with my hair. Oh, this is so nice. Thank you. Okay, so guys, this is my result after I washed up my hair. You guys have to try this hair mask. This is not from me, this is from one of you. So if you all want me to try something, a mixture you've made, and you feel like Shola, you have to try this, comment below, let me know. You'll be the next person. And I want to give a shout out to the creator of this hair mask. You can see her name right over here on top of my head. I'm carrying her name on my head. Thank you so much, Deborah. I really appreciate it, and I absolutely love it. Thank you, thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.